Hello guys, welcome back to Academic Technology channel. So we are going to have what we call data analysis tutorial using Excel, deep data analysis tutorial using Excel. But in this video, I am going to do what I call introduction to Excel to make sure that you are comfortable in Excel environment, and that is what we are going to do. So if you're already comfortable in Excel environment, I would advise you to skip this video. But if you are a newbie, please continue. So the first one I want to talk about is autofill. There's a function called autofill. For example, I have one here, I have two here. I can do what they call autofill. Just select this from here, scroll down. You see, so automatically it has autofilled all this. So from here I can say I can also do Saturday, Sunday. Then from here I'll do what I call autofill. Which is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's what we call autofill. That's what we call autofill. So the next one I'm going to talk about is Fibonacci number. You know this Fibonacci number where the addition of the first and second number is equal to the third number. Addition of the third and the fourth number is equal to the fifth number. So let's do it with Excel. This is the first number 0 and this is the second one. So this plus this, right? Then this one is equal to this plus this, right? Then this one is equal to this plus this. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, just like that. So if I select this and scroll down, so this is Fibonacci number, all right? This that you are looking at now is called Fibonacci number. If you watch, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 13 is 34, just like that, alright? Next one I want to talk about is custom list. Just as you can do Sunday and extend it, right? I want to show you how you can be able to customize your own list. Just go to file. When you go to file, scroll down, look for option. When you go to option, click on advanced, scroll down, you will see web option. Under web option, click on edit custom list. Here, look at all those lists that comes out automatically by themselves. From here you can add your own custom list. For example, you can decide to say Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Lagos, Abia, Zamfara, Katsina, and so on. You can just do it like this and click add. So when you add it, it's here already. Say okay. Say okay. So now I can just come here and say Anambra. You see, I have my own custom list now. So this is how you do custom list. The next thing I want to talk about is how to hide and unhide column. Right? For example, you don't want this column to be showing. You want to hide what is here. Just select this column, right click, you see hide. So now you will notice that B has disappeared. If you want to unhide it, just come here, tap, it's going to come out again. Look at it, now it's out again. If I want to hide three of them, I can easily just come here, right click and say hide. BCD has disappeared, so I can click and three of them is back again. So that is it for hiding of column. So the next one is to show you how to paste, how to skip blank cells. For example, I want to copy everything that is in column B to column A, but I don't want this blank to replace 1000. I don't want this blank to replace 1003. Normally, if I copy this and paste it here now, let me show you. If I copy and paste, it's going to replace it completely. Are you seeing it? But this is not what I want. What I want is to copy and replace this, will replace this, this will replace this, this will replace this, while this will replace this. So how do I do it? First of all, select it, right click and say copy. When you copy, click on this cell A1, right click, say paste special, click on skip blank and say OK. Look at it, can you see 4? I've copied 4 to that place, 5, 5, 5. Why the other ones that are blank did not replace any of them. So the next one I want to talk about is transpose. Imagine if I want to copy this variable and paste it, but no more in a horizontal line. I wanted it to be in a vertical. I don't want it to be in a particular row. I want it to be in a particular column. So how do you do it? Select this. After selecting, right click, say copy. So select this. After selecting, right click, say copy. Then go to the column where you want, right click, go to paste special. When you go to paste special, you will see transpose there. So click on transpose and say paste. Look at it, the value has been posted in a particular column, no more in a particular row. You can also transpose just like this. You see this array, you can transpose like as many columns, as many rows as possible, just like this. So let's do something like this. Let me clear this content. So assuming we even have more, 9, 8, 9, 8. Assuming we have this matrix and we want to transpose it, just select all of them. After selecting, just right click and say copy. Go to where you want to paste it, right click and say paste special. When you click on paste special, select transpose, and say OK. Look at it. So this one is here, this 2 has come here, this 9 has come here, so it has transposed this into this. So thank you very much. I hope you're able to enjoy this video. I hope you understand what basic Excel is all about. I hope you are able to understand both Fibonacci and the rest of them. See you on our next video.